Hey, my beautiful people, welcome to Vlogmas day number 23. On the 23rd day of Christmas, I am making this Black Forest cake for Superb. Yeah, yesterday being his birthday, I made a promise to make a Black Forest cake, so I'm dedicating this cake to him and I'm wishing him a super duper birthday. Yeah, so guys, if you want to see the recipe of the cake itself, you can just go to my live stream that I'm going to be putting in the video. Yeah, I'll capture it in the video. You can go check it for the recipe of the cake. This particular video, I'll just show you how I was able to ice from the beginning to the end. This cake is so yummy and nice. And guys, do not forget every of your layer, please don't be like me, layer of the cake, try your best to put the sugar syrup and the cherries. Okay, yeah, so this here is sugar syrup, then I'm going in with the whipping cream. Follow closely what I am doing. If you have any question, you can do well to ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Here is my chocolate. You can make it big or my size, anyone, whatever works best for you. But I think this, I love this. I love this. So yeah, that was what I made just to make the cake look pretty. And it's a Black Forest cake, so it has to be a Black Forest cake. Watch till the end. Do not forget to like, drop a comment, subscribe, share. Thank you guys.